Dear student, welcome to my next class of algebraic expression and identities. In the last class, we have seen one problem. In that, we have seen how to subtract the two expression. That is question number A in question number 4. In today's class, we will see in the fourth question, the question number B. Let's start. Subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. We have to subtract this expression from this expression. So first we have to write the second one minus first expression. Let's write it. Solution. We have to write second expression first because we have to subtract this expression from this one. So 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz minus of, we have to write this expression in the bracket because we have to subtract it. 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Now first expression will be as it is, student. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now open the bracket with minus. Minus into the sign plus is minus 3xy, then minus into again plus is minus 5yz, then this minus into minus will be plus, student. Keep in mind, multiplication of same sign is plus and multiplication of different sign is minus. Here it will be 7zx. Now let's rearrange the like terms. 5xy and minus 3xy are like terms. So I will rearrange on one place. 5xy minus 3xy. Then minus 2yz minus 5yz minus 2yz minus 5yz. Now next, minus 2zx plus 7zx. We rearrange it. Then the last term, the only term remaining is 10xyz. We don't have any other term, so this term will be as it is, 10xyz. Now 5xy minus 3xy will be 2xy, student. We have 5xy. What we have done? We subtract 3xy. So how many xy will remain? 2xy will remain, student. Now these two we solved. Now we will solve these two. Minus 2yz minus 5yz. As I said many times, same sign we add and sum of negative integer is negative. Signs are same, so we have to add. Minus 2yz minus 5yz will be minus 7yz. Now student, here minus 2zx plus 7zx. Here signs are different, so we have to subtract. 7zx minus 2zx. We are subtracting minus 2zx from 7zx. What will remain? Plus 5zx. Why plus sign? Because sign of the greater number is plus. Then what is remaining? Plus 10xyz. Now student, one thing I want to tell here, can we add these two? Here it is 5zx and here it is 10xyz. So they are unlike terms. We cannot add it. Can we add these two? No. Can we add this one and this one? No. We cannot add this with any term. All are unlike terms. We cannot subtract these two. We cannot add these two. Why? Because these all are unlike terms. Keep in mind, unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So this is our final answer. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching.